Well, it's Sunday afternoon. It's halftime in a Giants game. So I thought I'd show you how I spent a bit of my time yesterday, and then again today, unfortunately. Found out if I hold the broom at a certain angle, I can get a fair amount out in one sweep. If I was counting these, I probably would be saying 212, 213, 214, 215, but I'm not counting them. Anyway, it's better to wait a little bit and then some more water comes to the front and it gets a little deeper. Let's try it again. I would imagine this would look pretty funny if you're driving by, but there's nobody driving by. Haven't seen any National Guard trucks since yesterday. I guess they got everybody out that I was going to leave. As long as I got the house upstairs, no reason to leave. And that's probably what they were doing, taking people whose actual living quarters were flooded. This is my living quarters in the, shall we say, slightly better weather. And I have my TV going, and the recliner working well, and dozen crabs on the burner. But right now, 783, 784, 785, 786, 787, 788. Maybe I missed a few, I'm not sure. It's getting a little less deep. Over by the garage, it's high, the concrete right by the garage door. So when the water's up a certain level, you can raise the garage doors and it'll flow out to by itself. But now it's low enough that I have to sweep it out. 1,912, 1,913, 1,914, 1,914, 1,916, 1,917. So I think you get the gist. Water's gone down. And will continue to go down slowly. But you can see it out the door. Still plenty of water out there. So, gotta help it along. I'm hoping by tonight I'll be able to put the van in the street, but I'm not counting on that. That might take until tomorrow. And darn, I hope I don't get high water again tomorrow, although I doubt it. I mean, that front's got to move along sooner or later. 4,512, 4,513, 4,514, 4,515, 4,516, 4,517, 4,518, 4,519.